Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we have a group of mostly project lighters, some that work pretty well, others that I don't really have any idea whether they work at all, some that have had parts robbed off of them, some that have broken parts, missing parts, some that would only be useful as a donor parts lighter. Just time to thin out some of the projects that have either stalled, aren't going anywhere, or for whatever reason or another I'm just done with. We'll go ahead and start with the Dunhill Auto Rollalite. This is a very nice lighter that does show scuffs, scratches, some minor plating loss, definitely some plating loss to the fuel screw, probably also to the base as well. Does show some corrosion, wear, that sort of thing. We also have another Rollalite, Dunhill Rollalite Petrol lighter, which is missing some parts. Some of those parts are in the Ziploc bag here that you see accompanying it. There is also a Dunhill butane lighter, not certain what model that is or anything like that. It is not complete. The needle valve has been removed. The control valve down here at the bottom looks like it is missing. There are a good number of flat advertising lighters highlighting various topics. We have a couple of cigarette or tobacco advertising in the Parliament and Camel. Got several industry type, Astroloy, advanced advertising. Brunswick automatics, that was bowling lane resetting machines. There are some flip top lighters, just a few, a Champ trim line, and a couple of Windmasters made by Brown and Bigelow. We have a side squeeze automatic Japan lighter, an Elgin American that at one point I did a demonstration video on how to re-wick one of these. We replaced the wick in there, but nothing has ever been done with the sparking mechanism for that lighter. There are automatic Ronson type clones you'll see with the floral patterns, the leather with the advertising on this whirlwind type lighter. We have an old Evans cigarette case combination automatic lighter. It is missing the flint spring screw, but the flint spring is present. The tension on the holder for the cigarettes is also very strong. Some damage to the paint on that case. It also has engine turning on the back side. We have 5 Ronson automatic petrol lighters. The Sport has either come unglued or soldered. That's a very nice leather wrapped lighter. These others are enameled lighters. The Adonis has the top of the flint tube broken off, so it will not hold the flint in there properly. This lighter would only be good to rob more parts off of, which the fuel screw is already missing. The fuel screw is stuck in this Princess. It's got very nice enameling, so if somebody knows an easy way to get that out of there without screwing up that paint, there's a project for you. I, as of yet, had not been able to solve that one. Had not been able to crack that nut. This small gumball type lighter, looks like maybe with a Hawaiian theme, is missing its fulcrum cap. We have a couple of State Series type enamel and brass lighters in pretty good condition, not mint, but very nice, especially the Jamaica lighter. It's in pretty good condition and has most of the paint still present. Those may or may not work. I believe this Grand Canyon lighter sparks pretty well. That lighter will work pretty good. We've done a couple of videos on it and I think I re-wicked it. This one does not spark as well. Could probably benefit from a Dunhill blue flint. You could say that about a lot of lighters though. So out of the 29 lighters we have here, there are 5 Ronson. It looks like about 9 flat add lighters, 3 Dunhills, 2 of which are Petrol, 1 is Butane. There are a couple of enamel and brass State Series type automatic lighters that are really cool. A couple of Windmaster lighters. So the vast majority are semi-automatics. Looks like just the 3 flip-top lighters. As I said, they have just sort of run their course in what I am willing or motivated to do with them. Some of them have advertising that doesn't really appeal to me. Some of them have graphics or artwork that don't really appeal to me. So that, along with needing to make a little bit of money, is what motivated me to get this group here together today and to get these listed so that I can hopefully bring a little bit of extra money in this month. So I haven't decided exactly whether I will list these as an auction. If I do, then there will probably be a buy it now option somewhere right about where I expect the auction to end at. That way, if somebody wants to go ahead and pay that up front, we can go ahead and be done with it. Otherwise, I will list it a little bit higher than what I expect it to sell for the entire group. 29 lighters, I believe it is, and a few other parts. And then I will field offers from there. Until next time.